Hello, this is me with the Torin folding lug wrench, and I'm just going to move it to let you see there's no stiff joints. It works very well. The parts are, very clean, and there's a couple of spots on it, like from where it sat in the trunk. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with it. It's probably used once, twice at the very most. Not for more than one tire, and it's exceptionally clean. There's one spot over here, yeah, and that's working condition, not locking up. There's nothing wrong with the. Let's see, I was going to tell you what the. All right, it's a one of them is this one is 11/16 at 17 millimeter. This is, says Torin 13/16 at 21 millimeter. And this one is 3/4 at 19 millimeter. And the, up here is on this end 7/8 at 22 millimeters. Sorry, the other end that says Torin is 3/16 at 21 millimeter, and it's manufactured in China. And the manufacturing date was 03/05/15, and that everything's clean and looking nice. And thank you very much for looking.